this particular web development master classes, we are going to discuss about and we are going to learn both the front end and back end as well as the middleware. So first, in front end we are going to discuss about this HTML, CSS and JavaScript. When coming to the middleware, we are going to discuss the PHP and a little bit regarding the Python. And then as a backend, we are going to see some backend tools, and also we are going to discuss this SQL, that is structured query language, which is used to create the databases and to organize the data. We are going to discuss those backend things and all. Then we will have clear what we are going to learn from these master classes, right? So if you are clear, then today itself, as we don't have that much of time, we'll start our HTML sessions today itself. So if you are clear, then we'll start the session with the HTML. So before that, we have some things which is need to be learned before trying to learn this web development. Okay, first of all, we have to learn what is the client-server architecture, and we have to learn the things which we are going to discuss, these things and now. Please let me know what is HTML. What is HTML? I think you people are studying well about this HTML. What is HTML? Yeah, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so this web development is nothing but we are going to create some web pages, and also we are going to make the web pages as the dynamic pages. Okay, so by the end of this master classes, we are going to create a one project that is one website along with how we are going to host your websites on the server. Everything we are going to discuss. Please attend the regular continue what is web development, what are the things you and what are the sessions you are going to learn is most important, guys. That's why please attend the regularly. Hopefully screen is visible to everyone, right? Yeah, okay guys. So first we have to discuss this client server architecture. See, client is nothing but we, okay? So what are the devices which we are using, that is here laptop mentioned, and also some PCs as well along with your mobiles. Okay, these are the client. Okay, so client is going to request some resources from the server by using this internet. Okay, with internet only we are going to access the resources. Without internet we can't do anything. Okay, so internet is mandatory to browse or surf anything in the browser. Okay, so you people are going to send a request from the client to the server that I am requesting okay, you are going to request something from the server, so the server will search for the resources. So server have different resources, that is it is resource 1 and it is resource 2, then it is a resource 3. So the data may be available in the resource 1, or it may be available in the resource 2, or it may be available in the resource 3. The server will search, and accordingly what data you want, that will be get or fetched into the server, and this particular server is going to send those contents to our mobiles or any PCs or any gadgets which you are surfing. Okay, so this is what the client server architecture is. First you have to understand what is client server architecture. So in the client side we are searching something. Okay, we are searching something, and that should be stored in different places. That is, it might be in resource 1, or it might be in resource 2, or it might be in resource 3. So the server will search those things in these resources. If it is available, then the server will send those data to our web browsers by using this internet. Okay, so this is what the client server architecture. You just know, you just have to understand what is what. Okay, so your client server architecture is very important. So you have to be very aware of this client server architecture. Sorry, so here we have to insert some image. Yeah, fine. Just now I told you what is front end, what is back end, and what is the middleware. Here we are going to see in detail. So see here guys, this is what the front end thing is, where in which the client, okay, client is going to access the resources from this front end. As I told you, server is the main thing to search the resources. First the user will send a request to the server. The server will search the resources which are available in the databases or any resources. Okay, guys, please let me know whether audible or not. Yeah, okay. So first of all, okay guys, the client server architecture you people are aware of it, and regarding this front end, back end and middleware, I have one good example that I will show in animated form. Then only you will come to understand easily, because here, see here, from this image it's unable to explain the entire the front end, the back end and middleware. That's why I will show you the animated text. Okay, animated images, and I'll show you and I'll clear you. Now we'll start this session with the HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. As Vimo said, it is an hypertext markup language which is used for development of the web pages. Okay, HTML language is most important in the creating the websites. Okay, so by using this HTML language only, we are going to create the websites. Then HTML is used to create the web pages and make them functional. So to to create those things functional, we are using the JavaScript and React.js, those things and all. So here HTML is used to create only main framework. So later the sessions and the animations are going to be added by using this languages such as CSS, JavaScript, these things and all. So the code used to make them visually appealing is known as CSS. Okay. So here we are going to add the functionalities to the HTML by using the cascading style sheets. Okay. So once after completion of this HTML, so we will complete this HTML within 5 sessions. After completion of this HTML, we'll start the CSS. Then you will come to know what this CSS and all, and we shall focus on this later tutorial. Okay. No worries. For now, we'll focus on how to build rather than design. Okay. So first we are going to we'll see how to begin or how to build the websites. Okay. Then now we'll see the history of the HTML. So first the HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee and Robert Cailliau, and the other starting in the 1989. This particular HTML is coming to the play in the year of 1989, and it was developed by the Tim Berners-Lee and the Robert Cailliau. Okay. So hypertext means that the document contains links that allows the readers to jump to other pages. So you just understand the meaning of hypertext. Okay. So hypertext is nothing but, so the web page consists of some links. So when we click that particular link, it will jump to the other resources or other websites or other places. Okay. So that's what the hypertext means. Okay. So in the document or any other document along together. So this is what the hypertext is. Okay. So a markup language is a way that a computer speaks to each other. Okay. So markup language is nothing but, so different computers in the networks are going to be communicated. So those things and all comes under this markup. Okay. So to do this HTML, we use the tags and the attributes. So before going to this, we will see the architecture of the HTML. So HTML documents are basically going to be saved in .htm or .html extension. Okay. So for implementing those things and all, we are going to use the Notepad or any other any other editors. The best editor that I frequently use is this Sublime Text Editor, which is available in the Chrome itself. You can search as Sublime Text Editor, where according to your PC's features you can download it and you can install it in your system. And see here guys, so first I will create one folder for you, web examples. So I am going to save all the notes in this particular folder itself. Now I will try to save it. So see here, file will be available, save as, send desktop, web examples folder is there. There I am going to give the intro. Okay. So intro, just now I told you these particular HTML documents are going to be saved by using .html or .htm extension. Okay. So then only it will be when we click that particular thing, it will be shown in the browser. Okay. So now I saved that particular document. So see here guys, without entering anything, so I just typed HTML. So by clicking enter, the entire skeleton of the HTML will be displayed. See here, you might be observing that HTML. See here HTML is available. When you click that particular thing, entire structure is going to be displayed. Okay. See here, starting and opening HTML tells the browser that we are using the hypertext markup language. Okay, so this starting HTML and these ending HTML tags will tells the browser that we are using the hypertext markup language. Okay, so this doc type HTML is nothing but, so this is also tells that the browser, so we are using documentation type HTML. Okay, so this is what this meaning of these two tags. And while coming to this head, so I'll create one name. Okay, so I'll just remove these things and all. Now we'll discuss about this title tag. So title tag is going to be the name of your website. Okay, so I am giving the name of our website as intro. Okay, so now I'll try to save it. See here, it will be saved in this folder, so you can double click on it, it's going to be displayed. Okay, see here, wait, I'll remove these things and all. So you might be observing that see here, intro is going to be displayed. Okay, so intro, whenever you give this in this particular heading, when you give the in between the title tags, so whatever the thing which you mention here, that's going to be displayed on the top of the website. Okay, so I'll try to change to some other name, SCL EduTech. SCL EduTech solution. I am saving this. Okay, later I'll be refreshing this particular website itself. So see here, you might be observing that SCL EduTech solutions, so it will be displayed here. So now the title of the page is created. Now what about the content that we are going to create in the web is nothing but, so you whatever the things which you write in these body tags are going to be displayed in your website. Okay, now I'll try to, H is the tag, so later we will discuss what is these tags and what are the attributes and all. First, as a basic introduction, I'll be showing how the contents are going to be displayed in the website. Okay, so here I'm typing the content as welcome to web development master classes. So this is going to be displayed in our website. Okay, I'll try to refresh that particular website. So see here guys, welcome to web development master classes. So that whatever the thing which we are written in the notepad or any other editors, that is going to be displayed in the web browser. Okay, so this is how the basic thing is. So now we discussed these title tag and then body tag, right? See here, so what are the things that you mention in the heading, in the title tag, that's going to be the page title, and what are the things that you are going to mention in the body tags that are going to be displayed in the website. Okay, so hope you people are clear with this. Then we'll skip into the attributes and the tags. Okay, so see here guys, so they work together but perform different functions. Attributes and these HTML tags are almost similar, but it has a different functionalities. Okay, so tags are used to mark up the start of the element. Okay, see here, just now I shown you in this example. So see here, this is one particular tag, that is heading tag. So what are the things that were mentioned in between this starting and ending heading tag that are going to be displayed there. Okay, so this particular thing is going to be highlighted, or this particular content is going to be marked up by using these HTML tags. Okay, so we have multiple HTML tags. So by moving these sessions, I will discuss some more things, more tags also. So these HTML tags are, these particular HTML tags are going to be enclosed within Angular brackets. Okay, so see here, this is what the Angular bracket is. So tag is going to be opened like this, and then what are the things, like we have many like heading tags is there, paragraph tags is there, image tags is there, and link tags is there. So we have many tags, so that are going to be enclosed within these Angular brackets. Okay, so this is how we are going to enclose these things in the Angular brackets, and most tags must be opened and closed tags. So almost all the tags are having the opening and closed tags, but somehow we have some tags like break tag and the HR tag. Okay, so break and HTML tags, it doesn't require any closed tags. Okay, so this is what the tags are. So you just make a note that what is HTML tags in the sense, so these tags are used to mark up the particular element in the HTML. Okay, so this is what the HTML tags are. And then while coming to into the HTML attributes, so attributes contains the additional piece of information. Okay, so along with the tags, we have additional piece of information. See here, you might be observing in this particular code, so we have two more things added here. Okay, along with the image tag, here we added two more things, that is src and the alt. Okay, so src is nothing but the path which we are going to be given, and then alt is nothing but if it is not available, we are given one particular path, no, so in that path the particular file, if that particular file is not there, at that time the text we mentioned in this is going to be displayed. Okay, so HTML attributes are nothing but it is the additional piece of information. Attributes takes the form of opening tag and the additional info to be placed inside. Okay, so tags followed by the additional information are known as the attributes. Okay, in this instance the image source, so in this particular src we are going to give the path of that particular image, and then alt is nothing but, so if that particular image is not available, the text which we are going to given here is going to be displayed over there. So now I'll show you the practical example how this particular tag is going to be worked. Okay, so meta is nothing but Umar asked that what is meant by meta. So meta is nothing but the data inside the data is known as, or else you might be studied in the SQL that we have one thing, so when we click that particular thing, so it's going to tell something about the other. Okay, so data which contains the other data is known as metadata. Okay, so now I'll show you the practical example. So first I'll try to copy some image from my PC. So I'll try to copy this client server architecture itself. So I'm saving here itself. So its name is 1234 and its extension is .jpg. Okay, I'm going to insert that particular image into the website. Okay, so this is how we are going to insert the image into the website. So you have to click img, see here src, we have to give the specified path of that particular image in this source tag. Okay, so you can click here and the entire path will be copied, then you have to paste it over here, and then so I already told you alt attributes also it's also there. So if that particular image is not available there, it's going to be displayed this particular path. Okay, so I'm giving it as client server architecture. Okay, so see here, I'm not given that particular image, only I given the path. Okay, now we'll see whether that particular content is available or not. Okay, so client server architecture is going to be displayed in our website or not, we'll see now. So now I'm going to refresh this particular thing. So see here guys, only there I am given the path of that particular image, but I am not mentioned the image. But if that particular image is not available in that folder, or if we are not specified that image, what are the things that we are mentioned here? See here, in alt tag we mentioned no in alt attribute, so that thing only going to be displayed over there. Okay, now I'll give the path of that particular image, so I'll specify that particular image also. So that image name is 1234.jpg, right? JPG. So now we'll see. So this client server architecture is going to be displayed here. Okay, so you people might be clear, right? Please let me know guys if you are clear with this, how you are going to insert the image tag into the images into your browser. So we'll add some more functionalities by using the CSS, and we'll see the how we are going to align that particular image into particular portion, and how we are going to keep that image in the center, or how we have to keep that image in the footer, or how we are going to insert those images into the header. So likewise we have different things, so we'll discuss in the further classes. So now please let me know whether you people are clear with this. If you are clear, then we'll proceed further guys.
Sir, 1 second sir, please.
Yes. Okay. Okay, fine guys. So this is how you are going to insert the image into the browser, and we'll see the functionalities in the CSS or in further lectures. Now we'll move further. So now you people are clear with this HTML tags and the attributes. Okay, so these are some of the rules which we are going to be remember while using these attributes and the tags. Okay, so the vast majority of the tags must be opened. So see here, just now I told you almost all the tags having the open tag and the closed tag. So tag is going to be opened like this. So we are going to specify the name of the tag here, and the tag is going to be closed by using this forward slash followed by the tag name. Okay, forward slash followed by the tag name. Then so with the element information such as a title, or so just now we discussed this title tag, image tag, heading tag. So those tags are having the open tag and the closed tag. Okay, so this is one of the thing or rule to be remembered. So whenever you open the tag, so you have to close it, otherwise the output is it might affect the output. Okay, then so while using the multiple tags, the tags must be closed in the order. Okay, so if you are using the multiple tags, so the tag should be in order, otherwise the output or the code might not be clear. Okay, so now I'll show you with the example. I'll try to add some more tags. So see here, in this particular heading itself, I'm going to bold this particular text. So you people might be aware of this bold, right? So I'm giving bold. Okay, so bold is going to be given by using this B tag. Okay, so B is going to bold that particular content, then you are going to close that bold. Okay, so see here, bold is going to be closed, and then we'll see the output now. you might observe the difference. So see here, this particular text is going to be bolded, right? Or else I will try to convert this particular text into the italic form. Okay, so which is going to be, see here, I is the tag which converts the particular thing into the italic form. Okay, so this is italic form. Now we'll see the output. So see here, that particular text is changed to italic form, right? So in starting it is in the Calibri format, defaultly in Calibri format, but when I changed it to, when I added the italic tag, so this particular content is going to be changed, right? Clear, right? So in the rules you might be remember that, so while you are opening and closing the multiple tags, you should follow the order. Okay, otherwise the code is not clear and it might affect the output also. Okay. Fine guys, if you are clear, then we'll move further. Guys, if you are clear with these rules, HTML tags and the HTML attributes, then we'll move further to the basic architecture of the HTML. Fine guys. See here. So previously I explained that how it's going to be, right? So this is what the web page architecture is. So we are going to start the HTML tag by creation of web pages by using this doc type HTML followed by the HTML tag. So what and all are the things which we include in this heading are going to be displayed in the title of the page, and then what and all are the things that we are going to be used or mentioned in this body tag are going to be displayed in the website. Okay, so this is what the architecture of the web page is. And then see here, so doc type HTML, this tag specifies the language that language on the web page. In case if you are currently HTML5 is the latest version, okay, so whatever the thing is, if you mentioned this doc type HTML, in the sense the currently updated version is going to be displayed or it is going to be taken. Okay, then HTML, so this tag signals that from here on we are going to write the HTML code. So just now I told you this HTML tag will tells the browser that from here onwards we are going to start the HTML code. Okay, then while coming into this head, so this is where all the meta data for the pages goes. Okay, so like the title, and also we have fav icon is there. So fav icon is nothing but, so I'll show you some website. So see here guys, this is what the Google Meet is. Okay, you might be observing that here one image is there, right? So this image is going to be called as, or this image is called as the fav icon. Okay, I will show you how we are going to insert the fav icon and all. Yeah, I'll show you now itself, or else we'll discuss later guys. Okay, so that's what the heading is, and then the body. So this is where the content of the web page goes. What are the things which we mentioned in this particular body tag are going to be displayed in the website. Okay, then further we have some more tags. So see here guys, title. So title, just now we discussed with the practical example, and also we have metadata, meta tag is there. So this is where the information about the document is stored, like, so what is the description. So just now I told you, so meta is nothing but the data which tells something about the another data. So here in the meta tag, I'll try to open some other document. There itself you can see. I'll try to clear everything. Now I'll try to import the HTML by using the HTML. So see here guys, so meta tag is opened. So this particular meta tag is describing that, so name is viewport and the content is, so these particular things and all will discuss in the CSS. You just know, so meta is nothing but in this particular meta tag we are going to describe the description of that particular web page. So who are the author of that particular web page, and so from which server it's going to be hosted. So likewise everything is going to be mentioned in this particular meta tag. Okay, so this is what the meta tag is. Then so adding content, so what and all are the things which we mention in this particular body tag are going to be displayed in the website. Just now I told you. Okay, so the data might be a text, or it might be images, or it might be forms, or it might be tables, or it might be everything else. So what are the things which we need to be include in our websites? So that things and all are going to be mentioned in the body tag that will be displayed in the website. Okay, then HTML headings. Okay, so we discussed only one heading, so we have some order here. So from H1 to H6 the priority of the heading will be decreased. So H1 having the big size. Okay, so what are the things which we mention in this particular H1 tag are going to be in a larger size. When we mention that thing in the H6, so it's going to be in the less size. Okay, now we'll see the practical example of this. So title as it is. Okay, so here I mentioned the H1 tag, right? So later I move to further H2 tag. In this particular H2 tag I am going to mention our departments. Then in H3 I am going to mention the ECE, and then in H4 I am going to mention the EEE department, and then in H4, sorry it's H5 I think so. In H5 I am going to mention civil, and then in H6 I'll mention the AIDS. Okay, so these and all are the departments, and now we will see the output how it's going to be. So see here guys, you might be observing the difference that. So this H1 is in having the larger size, and CSC having the size which is less than the H1, and then ECE, and then EEE, and then civil, and then AIDS, right? So you might be observing the difference that, so this HTML order changes. So from top to bottom the size of the headings will be decreased. Okay, so this is what the thing is. If you want the more size when compared to this H1 to H6, we'll implement those things while we are discussing the CSS. So then adding text into the HTML page. So by using this paragraph tag, so see here, so paragraph tag is going to be like this, and it's going to be end like this. So within this thing, what are the things which we mentioned, that like if we want some sentence to be displayed in our website, so that is going to be enclosed within this paragraph tag. Okay, I'll show you practically. So if you do practically, in the sense it will be very easy and it will be helpful to you only. So in this particular paragraph I'll mention something like Kupam Engineering College offers different courses. Yeah, that's enough. So see here in this particular paragraph tag I mentioned that Kupam Engineering College offers different courses. Now we'll see the output. So see here guys, so Kupam Engineering College offers different courses will be displayed here. Okay, so that's what the adding of content into the web browser. This is how we'll add the content. So we place all our regular text inside the paragraph tag. So when we write a text in HTML, we also have number of other elements we can use to control the text. It will appear in a certain way. So we have many things also. See here guys, so B is nothing but we are going to bold that particular text, and if we use the strong, so which it will displays in bold manner. Bold and this strong are almost similar, and just now we practically done this italic tag and then emphasize text, and then if you wanted to mark that particular content, it's going to be by using the mark tag we are going to mark that particular content. And then so if you give the small, the text is going to be small, and then if you use strike, so the text will be striked out. And if you want to underline that particular content, so that we are going to use this U. And then if you are inserting some other text, if you are inserting text from some other sources, you can use this INS tag, and then subscript and superscript. Okay, so we'll discuss these things practically in the next class. So as the time now the time is 6:52, so later after this session we'll have the Python programming master classes also. That's why I'm going to end the session quickly. So from tomorrow onwards we'll take a complete hour. Now I'll send you the attendance link to you in the comment section. You just fill up the attendance. Please try to share the information with the other college people also guys. So if your friends are also interested in doing this web development, right, please try to share to your friends also. Fill the attendance and leave the class guys. Notes I will share daily. Okay, so once after completion of this HTML session, definitely I'll share you the complete PPT along with some examples also. No worries guys, so I'll provide the notes as well. And while coming into these recorded sessions, it might be going in live in the YouTube. Let me check it once and clarify you. Guys, try to fill the attendance form.